Hello everyone, my name is Sri Haryanti. I am a midwifery student for the RVL program at Poltekkes Kemenkes Tasikmalaya. My presentation today is about the procedure for monitoring the fetal heart rate. Fetal heart rate monitoring is an essential part of prenatal and postpartum care because it provides vital information about the baby's health. According to the World Health Organization and Cleveland Clinic, a normal fetal to 160 heart rate ranges from 110 to 160 beats per minute. Monitoring helps detect early signs of fetal distress, such as oxygen deprivation, that might require immediate medical intervention. Good morning, Miss Alma. How are you today?
Good morning, Miss. I'm fine.
Today, I will check your baby's heartbeat to make sure the baby is doing well. Is that ready?
Okay.
Okay, I will wash my hand. Doppler, the gel, and some tissue. Miss Alma, please lie down on the bed and relax your body.
Okay, like this. Like this?
That's perfect, thanks. Now I will gently feel your abdomen to check the baby's position, specifically trying to locate the baby back.
Okay.
Next, I will put a little gel on your tummy. The gel might feel hot. I will place the Doppler on your tummy to feel your baby's heartbeat. Please relax.
Okay, Miss.
That's amazing. Your baby's heartbeat is sound strong and regular. The fetal heartbeat is 150 beats per minute. That is a normal rate.
Okay.
Here a tissue to wipe off the gel. I will record the fetal rate in your maternity note. Do you have any question?
Okay, thank you. No.
In conclusion, fetal heart rate monitoring remain a critical, evidence-based tool to ensure fetal well-being, especially in high-risk pregnancy, as it allows timely detection and intervention for potential complications. Thank you. Bye.